بِلِسَانِي يَفْقَهُوا قَوْلِي. Respected scholars, teachers, and my fellow students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It is a great honor to stand before you today and speak about one of the most important and beloved figures in Islamic history, Hazrat Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salam. As you all know, Hazrat Ali alayhi salam holds a special place in our hearts, and his life teaches us many valuable lessons. Hazrat Ali alayhi salam, the cousin, son-in-law, and one of the closest companions of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is known not only for his unparalleled bravery and wisdom, but also for his strong commitment to justice, truth, and the values of Islam. He is a man whose name is synonymous with courage, knowledge, and beauty. On 13th of Rajab, Hazrat Ali alayhi salam was born in Mecca inside Kaaba. He was the first person to embrace Islam and grew up under the care and guidance of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Hazrat Ali alayhi salam played a very important role in the early days of Islam. He was always there to support the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, in spreading the message of Islam. And he fought many battles to protect Islam. His courage and loyalty were unmatched. One of his greatest moments of bravery was when he risked his life to protect the Prophet during migration from Mecca to Medina. My dears, we believe that Hazrat Ali alayhi salam was not just a great companion of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, but also the rightful successor to him. This belief comes from the event of Ghadir Hum, where the Prophet clearly said that Man kuntu mawla fahadha aliyun mawla. Whoever, I am his leader, Ali is his leader. This shows days after the Prophet's passing, Hazrat Ali alayhi salam was meant to lead the Muslim community as the first Imam. For us, the Imam is not just a leader, but someone chosen by Allah to guide us in understanding the true message of Islam. One of most important qualities of Hazrat Ali alayhi salam was his commitment to justice. As a ruler, he made sure that everyone was treated equally regardless of their wealth. Hazrat Ali alayhi salam always stood for truth and fairness, even if it meant against powerful people. We can conclude that Hazrat Ali alayhi salam was a man of great faith, wisdom, and courage. We look to Hazrat Ali alayhi salam as our first Imam, and we try to follow his examples in our daily lives. May Allah help us to follow in his footsteps and grant us strength to justice and truth in our lives. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.